Yo, I'm back again with another video of my Prelude coming back on road. I was meant to make these couple of weeks back, but the weather was rubbish, so I didn't have time. So I'm following up now. So today I'm gonna try to take the car from its parking spot, which has been there for like a couple of months now, onto the road, see if the discs are free, if it runs without any like noises or anything, and basically just see if it runs smoothly, so then I can take it for a small little service, and then hopefully the car will be okay to drive to Japfest, which is happening in a week's time. So let's see how it goes. My main concern was the brakes. I don't know if you can see, they're completely rusted. So let's attempt to move this car after 6 months of standing in one place. I know the brake discs are going to be rusty and it's going to be hard to move. The calipers are going to be seized off, but let's hope for the best. And let's just hope that when I go for a little drive, the discs becomes free. Oh, and I just noticed there's a bloody chip in the windscreen as well. Great. I don't know if you can see it. It's just down there. Another thing to sort out, that'll probably be an MOT failure because it's right in front of my vision. So yeah, let's see. The engine's warmed up a bit as well now. It's had about 15-20 minutes of run time. Let's see now. Just realized this had grown, so I had to cut it down so that it can squeeze out. And on the other side as well, had to cut a little angle. Now time for take two. Finally out. Drives so good, man. For an old car, this car, fuck, you know, I love it, man. It's so low to the ground. I thought the brake discs were going to be rusty and not work, but they work fine. Obviously I haven't taken it to the extreme or anything like that, but they feel fine so far. I may need to get another battery because just I turned the car off just to see, and it didn't, even though I left it on for like 45 minutes now, it still didn't turn on. So I may need to get another battery altogether, and just check the fluid. Right now what I'm gonna do is just give it a good clean inside out because it's really dirty. There's cobwebs everywhere, and also I thought the handbrake would be an issue as well, but it's holding up fine so far. So I'm just gonna concentrate on giving this car a good clean now. So I'll catch you in a bit. Day two, I'm gonna give this car a good clean today, and I noticed there's a lot of spider webs underneath the seats, and one of the seats rails is jammed too, so I'm gonna have to take the seats out. And it helps as well because then if I take all the seats out, it's easy to clean the whole carpets and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do today. squeaking clean, no more spider webs. Minions back too. Gonna take my car out for a drive for the first time in like a couple of months now. Got the seats, everything done, oil checked up, power steering fluid all topped up, everything is good to go. So I'm gonna go for a little drive around and see if there's anything wrong or just how it goes. Don't have any mount, so I'm gonna have to like just hold the fucking GoPro and see how it goes. Got no other mounts, so this is the only place I could place my GoPro without it moving about. Let's go for a quick little drive, see how it gets on. Hopefully there's no idiots on the road at this time of the day, and less traffic as well. Let's go. All the windows work, thank God. Oh my God, this is... It's so low to the ground, I just love it. Like in the Civic Type R, it's like a 4x4, and this one is just so awesome. So low. Forgot there's bumps everywhere now. Just gonna try and free my brakes up. You can hear the brakes squeaking, squealing, but that's fine. Just forgot how low this car is. It just feels like awesome to drive. So smooth, like Civic Type R. It feels it just feels fast all the time, but this one is like you have to do everything, and it's so I can't, it's just so low, it's so cool. See, the Civic Type R is fast, it handles amazing, everything, but the Prelude is just special, man. Any old school car just feels so good to drive. Everyone knows me around here, so I just have to pretend I wave back at them. Yeah, the brakes are a bit squeaking. So the only bad thing about this is there's no drive raid, there's no sensors or anything, so you have to be careful. But other than that, I don't care. This is the best car till this day. Yep. I need to see if the VTEC still kicks in, but obviously there's so many humps around where I live, it's just impossible to go fast. That's the problem. No thank you, nothing. Fucking dickhead. I let these people go because I'm gonna have to drive slowly over the humps, and they're gonna think I'm an idiot. I mean, the steering is so good compared to the Civic Type R. I think the Civic Type R is electric and this is hydraulic. Thing is, yeah, this car still picks up so good, even though it's only naturally aspirated. Whoa! Epic, 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 epic. Gonna give the car a wash. I'm not gonna record it, I don't have 4 hands, but it's filthy. done. The paint, there's some blemishes on the paintwork which I need to sort out. And yeah, that's it for this week. See you next time.